after I crashed the quad, I noticed it was really shaky. And Chris pointed out that the little rubber thing that helps dampen vibration on the camera had come out on one side, so it was only held on by one instead of two. So Kai helped take the whole thing apart so that we could push the rubber thing back in with a fishing line, which worked quite well, and now it is smooth again.
Kelly, what's Kai doing to your AVATA?
Surgery, major surgery.
Trying to fix what he
True. Here, we want to get this. This is the Kai method of pulling a rubber.
getting that rubber through the hole. Ta-da!
Wow. Got it. Very cool. The old fishing line trick. Oh yeah. That's better.
Screw it, brother.
All right, screw it.
Get the screw.
I had an AVATA. Poor AVATA.
Well, you'll have two by the time it's done.
Yeah, right. One for spare parts. This is a Kai-sized workbench. Actually, it works out pretty good for you, doesn't it?
Yep.
Oh, 'cause I'm going in the wrong spot. That's why.
You gotta get it in the right hole so you
Yeah,
can
I know.
screw it.
I know. The wrong hole.
Story of life.
Hey man, I got two kids. Must have gotten it right at least twice.
So the likeness was the milkman is just pure coincidence.